How's it going? Back again, Commodore with Cartel. We're here with Stephen, and he's going to tell us about his Commodore today.
Alright, so basically this is my VS 5-litre BT1. For those of you who don't know what BT1 means, ex-cop car. Picked it up off a guy last December. He was actually going to rip the running gear out of it and put it in a VS Club Sport, but because he realised what it was, he decided to sell the whole car complete. Basically, nothing too special, pretty much stock, apart from 16-inch Walkinshaw wheels. Reason I actually bought this is because when I was on my red P's, my first car was a VR Commodore, but I sadly had to sell that. But my plans for that car was to have a 5-litre V8, and then came across this, like I said, last December. Picked this up, it was cheap enough at the time, so I thought, oh, okay, you beauty. Yeah, so basically, as I said, stock 5-litre, nothing too special, maybe apart from the fancy K&N sticker here with the filter.
What's with Commodore drivers and K&N filters?
I actually don't know. I think we like to pretend we like quality brands and make our cars go fast, but they're really not.
Also, Stephen, point out the exclusive feature of this car.
Which one was that?
The gas cap.
Oh yeah. One of the only Commodores in Logan actually has the same colour matching original fuel door.
Braden's butthead, he doesn't have a V8. Look, cop remnants.
Yeah, if you look closely at the center console there, you see there's little nibs. That's where you used to have all their police equipment. Actually, this B pillar here was actually the light for wiring all their plugs when they had lights all over the roof. So some people are confused and say, oh, it's not a real ex-cop car. Well, there's your proof right there.
Yeah, so there's 500 crims in here.
Yeah, I'd say there was many criminals in there back in the day on the SS seats.
A couple STDs as well.
Yeah, probably.
Thank you for watching. Tune in for the next episode.
Like, subscribe.
As always.
Sam loves you all.